students. In the last two sessions, we were started with the half-built house, that is unit number 4, the half-built house. Now, in this session, we are going to continue with the chapter, that is half-built house. So here in the last session, that Atharva and Disha went to half-built house whether to check it is safe to play hide and seek or not. But they came back running and Disha told we must tell dad right away. She must tell to dad right away. So till here we have completed. Now we are going to start the next para. What did you see? Asked Dev, curious to know what had happened in the half-built house. So students, Dev was the youngest who was very curious and very eager to know what was happened in the house. He was very curious that what was happened in the house. He asked the elder one, what did you see? So he asked the elder one, what did you see there in the half-built house? When the children reached Grandma's house, they were surprised to find Disha's father, Inspector Chitnis, already there. So children, when they reached house back, what they saw? They saw Disha's father, Inspector Chitnis. So Disha's father already is a police. There he was present there. Understood? Where he was present? He was present in the grandma's house. Next. Dad, said Disha excitedly. You will never guess what we discovered. So, and Disha came running, explained to the dad what they discovered in the half-built house. Do you remember those pictures of the 3 wanted criminals that we had seen in your office? Those 3 men are here. They are in that half-built house. Atharva and I saw the men in the back room. So children, wanted criminal means one who is looked for. A police is finding one who escaped or the government is looking for them. So called wanted criminals are people who do bad things. Wanted criminals, the people who do bad things. So Disha told what we had seen in your office in the police station. She was informing about them. And she also said that Atharva and I saw in the back room together. Those 3 men are there. They were in the half-built house. Who said that? Disha told to her father. Yes, those men almost saw us, but we hid behind 2 empty drums, said Atharva. And one man said to others, oh, it's just a cat somewhere. So Atharva said that they were almost caught by the criminals, but they hid behind 2 empty drums. And that's how they escaped from the criminals. And the criminals thought might be some cat there. The 2 children laughed. So 2 children were enjoying by this statement. But that was dangerous, children. Grandma cried out in alarm. So she told that children that could be very dangerous criminals might harm any of you. Oh, Grandma, but they had an adventure, said Dev. So Dev, the youngest child, was very eager for adventure. He said, but Grandma, they had an adventure. We had feeling that those crooks were somewhere around here, said Dad. That's why I drove down to the farm. I must call headquarters and ask them to send a patrol team at once. You did the right thing, children. Well done. So Dad said he must call some more police team and they should reach at once to the place to catch the criminals. And then he praised the children that they did right thing for finding out the criminals. A little later, the police patrol arrived. After some time, the police team arrived. Atharva and Disha asked if they could accompany the officers. So Atharva and Disha, they were very eager to go with the policemen to half-built house again. The officers said they could go only if they promised to be obedient. A policeman put a condition front of them being obedient to the follow of all the instruction, and then only they could accompany the policemen. The two children eagerly accompanied the policemen to the half-built house. Very quietly, the four policemen and the children approached the room. So in the silence, the four policemen and two children, Atharva and Disha, they approached to the room where they saw the criminals. Then quick as lightning, the police stormed into the room and got hold of three crooks and handcuffed them. So as quick as lightning means with great speed, the police team stormed into the room. Storm means they entered the room and got hold of three criminals. Handcuffed means specially use this chain to the criminals. More officers arrived and the crooks were taken away. Afterwards, some more officers arrived and taken away to the police station. The chief officer was very pleased. "Good work, children," he said. "You were very brave," said Dad. The chief officer, who was the head of the team, they praised the children. He complimented and told good work, and even Dad also complimented the children. And also you have end of the story two glossary meanings, that is meadow, an open field of grass, group, a small group of trees. Okay students, so this is your end of your chapter. Next we will be discussing about the question and answers which is there in your course book. So thank you students.